Stop scrolling, because this is where your tech journey begins. Have you ever wondered how Web3, how AI, how tech as a whole can change your life completely? Or maybe you're actually just curious on how to get started in tech, or just how to get started in Web3 or AI. Don't worry, I'm here for you. Welcome to TECHUP with Liz, where we make tech, Web3 or AI completely simple, exciting, and very, very beginner friendly. I'm Liz, your tech buddy, who breaks down the most complex topics into very simple, everyday life scenarios. And there's no way you don't understand. Things that you are like, it's so difficult for you to understand. You'll be easily grasping them as fast as possible. So, whether you are actually trying to come into Web3 as a whole, or you're switching career, or you're already a tech pro, just looking for fresh ideas or insights, you are in the right place. I am here for you. Now, here's the deal. On this channel, you will find real world tips to level up your game in the Web3 or the tech space. You'll find easy to follow Web3, AI or tech tips. Also, you'll find honest reviews to help you make the best tech choices ever. And of course, you will find so many stories and lessons to learn from my own personal tech experience. Now, what is my goal here? What is my goal? My goal here is to make tech, Web3 and AI as a whole very exciting, very, very exciting, easy to understand, in the sense that even your grandma will be able to understand what I'm teaching. That is my aim here. So if you are ready to learn, to laugh, and to level up, or rather to take off in your Web3 space or your tech space, please, I would love you to join the community. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because you won't want to miss any goodies on this channel. And mind you, this is the beginning of something extraordinarily wonderful, so you would not want to miss out. And also, don't forget to like, comment and share, or if you have any particular topic you want me to discuss, please leave that in the comment section and I will definitely drop a video on that. So guys, let's tech up together.